All right, guys, today is lesson 1. Close your books. Shouldn't be open yet. Okay, so we are starting our unit. It is called multiplicative comparison and measurement. Lesson 1, times as many. So today, let's represent situations that involve times as many. So go ahead now, open up to your warm-up. I think it's page 3. Okay, it's a what do you notice, what do you wonder. I'm going to give you a minute or two. Write down some notes. What do you notice? What do you wonder? All right, raise your hand. What do you notice? What do you wonder? Okay, Quinn, start us off.
I wonder why there's blocks on
Why there's blocks? Okay, why do they have blocks? What else? Madeline.
I wonder why there's 4 yellow blocks here, but only 3 on the top.
So, Madeline noticed we have 4 yellow blocks. Looks like Mai has 4, but Han has 3. Okay. Kaylin?
I wonder why there are names.
Why there's what? Names? Okay. One more. Bella. Oh, maybe the colors have something to do with place value. Okay, how are the images alike? How are they alike? Jerica.
They're all blocks.
Okay. What else do you see? Cade.
That each color had 3 of each block except the 4 yellow pieces.
Did anybody else notice that?
Yeah.
Yeah, did you notice Andre, Han, and Mai, they all have 3 blue, right? Then we've got 3 yellow. Oh, except for, how many does Mai have? 4. But there's 3 yellow, 3 red, 3 white. That's interesting. Kara.
What was I gonna say?
Okay, Chase.
I noticed that there's 2 Andres and this have the same amount of blocks.
Yeah. All right. What do you think Andre could be doing? Just thinking. Aaron.
Trying to make himself more popular.
Okay. Kira? Okay. Okay, 2 different. One more. Brooks, what are you thinking?
He might be trying to have 4 times as many cubes as Andre.
Okay. How did you come to that conclusion?
Because there's 4 times as many.
Because there's 4 times as many. All right. Brooks, how many blocks does Andre have? 3, right? How many blocks does Han have? 12. So you probably were thinking about the title of this lesson, I'm thinking. So does Han have 4 times as many as Andre? Is that what you're thinking? Gage, what are you thinking?
Why is there 2 in
2 what?
Andrews?
Andre?
Yeah.
Well, so it looks to me like I think what Brooks was just saying is, well, Andre, is he comparing his blocks to Han?
Yeah.
Okay. So what could he be doing with my blocks? Oh. Okay. I don't think I'm supposed to tell you any more than that. That's just our warm-up. Okay. Launch. Are you guys ready? So, Andre has some cubes, and we kind of just saw that, didn't we? Han has twice as many cubes as Andre. What does it mean for Han to have twice as many cubes as Andre? Hey, Cade.
If like Andre had 6 cubes, then it would just mean that he has 6 more than him.
So if Andre had 6 cubes, then maybe he has 6 more than Han.
Yeah.
Okay. You guys all agree? Put your pencils down. I don't know why I see them moving. So you think he's adding? Okay, maybe. Let's see. What's our first activity? Okay, so I think I need to tell you guys this part. All right, so twice as many. Guys, we're going to be multiplying, okay? So we're thinking about, like if we look back to our warm-up, and we said Han, he's got 12 cubes. And Brooks over here told us, well, that's 4 times as many as Andre, right? Do you guys remember when we talked about the word times and how it means multiply?
Yes.
Yes? Are we awake? Okay.
Yes.
That is what we're thinking about. Okay? All right, so I think you guys are going to do some investigating. So, are we on page 4?
4, yeah.
Okay. Andre has some oh, is that it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just this.
Gotcha. Andre has some cubes. Han has twice as many cubes as Andre. Use cubes, pictures, or other diagrams to show how many cubes Andre could have and how many cubes Han could have. Be prepared to explain how your representation shows that Han has twice as many cubes. Okay? Guys, I want you to get with your math partner. We're going to come back in 10 minutes and share. All right, so I think most of us got the gist, but, okay, so Andre has some cubes. Han has twice as many. You should be thinking multiplication. Twice would mean 2, and then twice as many, well, we're thinking times. Okay, so if Han has 6 cubes, and that is twice as many, what number times 2 is 6, everybody?
3.
3. So then Andre could have 3 cubes. So if we're thinking twice as many, what is another possibility? Jerica? Okay. Hadley? 12. So if Han has 12, oops, that should be 8, 2. If Han has 12, then Andre would have to have 6. Because 6 times 2 is 12. The number 12 is twice as many as 6. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So to draw a diagram to represent it, what I would have expected, like for the 3 times 2 is 6, is that maybe you would say, okay, Andre, and then he could have 3 cubes. And then Han would have to have how many? 6. So then your diagram would be like that. Is that 6?
Yeah.
No, that's 5.
One more line.
6.
There you go.
Okay. So something like that where you're drawing the cubes. So twice as many, we are multiplying by 2. What if I said 3 times as many? What would you multiply by? 3. Okay. Is this making a little bit of sense?
Yeah.
Okay. We're showing the relationship between numbers. Okay, all right, here was our synthesis. How does each representation show that Han has twice as many as Andre? All right, Michael.
So no matter how many cubes Andrew has, Han will always have twice as many.
Okay, so we will always see twice as many, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Another way of saying twice as many is 2 times as many. That's funny, because didn't I just tell you guys that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So think of it as 2 times as many. That might make better sense to you. How do you know that Andre's number of cubes is 2 times Han's amount?
How do you know ours? Because if you add the two together,
That's two.
because if you
I don't get that question. Sorry, guys, we have to move on.
Yay! Woo! Unit 5.
Okay, Jerica, help us out.
And then you wanna know how you know it's twice as many? Like how you know 3 times 2 is 6. Of how you know he has 6 and it's twice as many. So like basically you're trying to what you just did.
Wait, Miss Russell, I don't know if this is a typo, but do you have this last question on the synthesis? How do you know that Andre's number of cubes is 2 times Han's? But Andre has less, so how could his be 2 times Han's?
Maybe it's Andre's number. I did 2 times.
Okay. Oh, you did it? This is just the first activity.
On mine.